Welcome back to PMK America. Today I'm going to explain how to wire up your DUT to IWATSU's CS-322 Test Fixture, which is part of IWATSU's CS-8000 Semiconductor Curve Tracer series. Starting off, you see three indicators. Power, Enable, Interlock. Power indicates that the system is energized and connected to the stack. Enable is activated and deactivated from the mainframe, and when it's on, it indicates that the system is armed and ready to go. Interlock is a safety feature and lights up when the lid is open. In this condition, it does not allow any measurements to proceed. On its inside, the test fixture provides a plastic containment for placing your DUTs. The cutout section for this containment has a length of 33 centimeters, a width of 21 centimeters, and a depth of 7 centimeters. And in addition to that, you have an additional 10 centimeters of height beyond that, so 17 centimeters in total. On its back vertical surface, the test fixture provides several banana plug outlets: drain collector, source emitter, gate base, and auxiliary power. With those aux power outlets, you're able to energize your power modules that need additional power, for example for gate drivers, and you can do all of this from the mainframe. So you're able to connect your DUT with any banana leads that connect to the outlet ports on one side and to your DUT, for example using alligator clips on the other side. However, if you're testing standard devices like IGBTs, MOSFETs, diodes, and so forth, we highly recommend you using IWATSU's connection elements that are specifically made to accommodate those devices with the highest signal fidelity. Now, for example, we have the IWATSU CS-322 patch panel that you can use. It slides right into that opening and can be fastened by hands only. Now, in order to wire this up, we need, of course, a connection between the outlet of the test fixture to the inlet of this patch panel. And we do this by banana leads, and we twist them to achieve a low inductance, low noise transmission line. And we plug them into the drain collector, sense and force, the outlet of the test fixture, and the associated drain collector, sense and force inlet of the patch panel. We do the same for source emitter, force and sense outlet of the test fixture into source emitter, force and sense inlet of the patch panel. And finally, gate base, force and sense outlet of test fixture into gate and base, force and sense inlets of the patch panel. Now, once this is done, we have connected patch panel and test fixture. Now finally, next step, we need to connect a IWATSU adapter. In this case, we are using the CS501A TO type adapter. We have an IGBT, for example, and this is the front of it because here's the writing. Now we have gate, collector, emitter. Gate goes into base. Make sure that the leads are aligned with the openings, and then slide it in, press it down, ready to go. Now in the last step, we need to close the lid. Interlock is off, and the system can be armed and is ready to go. If you have any questions, reach out to PMK America at sales@pmkamerica.com. Talk to you soon, and thank you for your time. Bye.